Check it. Do you need help developing a one-of-a-kind web application for your business or organization? Take this recommendation back to your workplace and do yourself a favor and ask, does your company need a custom-built desktop app? If not that, a mobile application that the world has access to you anywhere that the world's at. Call Dux Team if you ever need custom software development. One of their specialties, maintaining an in-house development team, can be costly and impractical for many companies. They strive to make software outsourcing simple and easy. Offer your well-being with dedicated tech team offers. Your needed competitive fixed prices solutions you ain't beating for a wide range of needs, including what you're seeing: software development, QA testing, and even software architecture consultations. Yeah, search engine optimization plus more for sure. They can help you with pay per click advertising your campaigns and social media marketing. Plain and simple, get the job done right. It starts within. Dux Team delivers how you want it, on time and on budget. You gotta love it. You can trust them. They're here to supercharge your presence and boost your prominence on the web. It's a must go. You get on and get quick. The experts at Dux Team, they go the extra mile to respect your privacy. Come see, they provide 100% guarantee of non-disclosure, ensuring ideas and everything it's safer. So just go visit DuxTeam.com now, not later. You know.